Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Okay guys, so I hope you all are having a very nice cozy Sunday. So I am really excited to film this video. As you've already seen the title, it's the huge Bath & Body Works haul. Just a disclaimer, I have not bought all the products at once. Got them in 3 different sales. So yeah, that's how I have collected. I absolutely love fragrances. I love smelling good. And also guys, there's a saying that, if you smell good, you look good. I bought a bunch of stuff from Nykaa. I got a few directly from Bath & Body Works website. Look at that. This is how the package came in. Oh my god, I was so impressed by their packaging. When I got from Nykaa, everything came broken. Like, I'm not even kidding you, everything came broken and I had to send them back. If you love fragrances and if you love Bath & Body Works, then stick on to this video and let's get started. I'm just gonna start off with candles first. And I'm also going to give a mini review because, as I said, I have these candles with me since a long time and I have already burned them and I know how they smell like, how they last and everything. So I'm just gonna give a mini review as well. The first one I'm gonna start off with is this, which is called as Leaves. Can you see? It's such a nice a browny shade, and this is how it looks like. I've already burned the candle. This smells so good. When I burned this candle for the first time, I didn't like it that much. I actually hated it. But now I have been loving this so much, It has that really nice, soothing, calming kind of a scent, but it still has a strong cinnamon scent in it. So the smell is medium to strong. It's not too strong, wherein you get headaches or something. I don't know why they've named it Leaves, but it definitely has a strong cinnamon scent. It's very fresh and nice. It's gonna be really good, especially for this season, for winters, because it just kind of gives off that cozy feel. So yeah, I really like this one. So the next one that I have is this, which is called as Sweater Weather. Again guys, now the packaging, Bath & Body Works always changes the packaging, so I'm not sure if you'll get the same packaging or not, but I really like the this plain color kind of a packaging. And yeah, this one is my absolute favorite. Oh, this is so freaking good. Look at that. I have already burnt this candle so much. This is my absolute favorite for this weather, for this season. I have been continuously burning this. I was really worried that this is gonna get over and yeah, I have to buy again. So anyways, I really love this scent so much. Very sweet and minty. It is so freaking good, you guys. I absolutely love this. This has to be hands down one of my favorite scents. I would highly recommend you guys to check this one out. So next we have another one, which is this Mahogany Teakwood High Intensity. This is how it looks like. This one is like the jet black one, you guys. Look at that. Again, I have burned this a lot. Now, this smells like luxury. It can definitely smell some oud. It also has some floral notes to it. Oh, I think both men and women would love this scent. If you are into strong or fancy or luxurious scents, then definitely you can go for this. But again, I would say that it is a little strong. So if you are very sensitive to scents, then stay away from this, or else definitely go for it. It's very nice. Just gives off that luxury feel, like you're in some 5-star hotel or something. Oh, it's really nice. The next one that we have here is this, which is called as Cactus Blossom. Again, look at that. I have already burned it so much. I love the packaging of this. I really like this shade of pink. It looks so bright and good. Like, you keep it anywhere, you can just see this color. So it just looks amazing. This is again that luxurious smelling scent, but it is not as strong as the previous one that I showed you, the Mahogany High Intensity. It is very fresh. This has a hint of floral scents in it. It's a little sweet and it also has that musky scent in it. So yeah, I really like it, guys. Again, this is my absolute favorite. Especially, I love the packaging. Look at that. It is so freaking bright and nice. Like, it's not too strong. It's not too light. It's just like a medium, strong kind of a scent. So yeah, really love this, guys. Definitely, you can check this out. So the next one that I have with me is this one, which is called as Paris Cafe, which looks like this. This is one of the strongest scents, strongest smelling candles I've come across. Oh my god, this just smells so good, you guys. If you are a coffee lover, you will definitely love this one. I am a huge coffee lover, so I absolutely love it. And it smells like as if you're entering a cafe, like someone is freshly brewing a coffee. And it also has a little bit of that pastry, like fresh chocolate cake kind of a scent. If you burn this candle in your house will smell like a bakery or like a cafe. Oh my god, it's so good. I definitely would highly recommend you guys, in case you like strong scents, if you like coffee, then this is a must have. It's so freaking good. So the next one that I have here is this Marshmallow Fireside. This is again one of my most loved scents. And I think after sweater weather, this is my absolute favorite, especially for the season. I can burn this candle again every single day. I've been taking turns between this one and the sweater weather so much. How exactly marshmallow smells like when you just burn them and then I have never had something like that. I have seen in so many Hollywood movies and series and stuff, but I have never done that, so I don't know how that tastes or smells. Very cozy, it's sweet, and it also smells like you're burning firewood, and it just like puts you in such a good mood, especially for this weather. It also makes your home and you feel really cozy and nice. Again guys, I love the packaging. I love the color of this one. It's a light gray kind of a shade, and I really like it, like the looks of it, and I absolutely love the smell. So I would highly recommend you all to check this one out. It's amazing. So I know I have been saying amazing for each and every single one of them, but yeah, that's how I feel. They're all so good. But anyways guys, so the next one is this which is called as Rosewater Ivy. Again, I really love the packaging. Look at that, so cute, and even the lid is like so nice and different. And even this one is like, look at that, it has flowers all around. It's blue and pink, very girly. And this is how it looks on the inside. It is white. I wouldn't say this is my absolute favorite scent. Like if you love floral scents, then you will like this. Just wanted to try this out because so many people were raving about this candle, so that's why I just wanted to try it out. Again, I shopped all of them online, so I didn't exactly get the option of smelling them and then buying them, because I don't have any store in Bangalore yet, which is very sad. I think they have to launch a store really soon, because I would go all crazy. But anyways guys, this one, as I said, it has the strong floral notes. You can definitely smell rose in there. Floral scents sometimes just give me headache, and I also get nauseated, so yeah, I don't like floral scents that much. I think my favorite scent ever is vanilla. I love vanilla scents. Anything vanilla, I just love them. So yeah, that's for Rosewater and Ivy. Again, if you love floral scents, then you can definitely go for it, but I'm not a huge fan of it. I really didn't like how it smelled as well, so it's not for me. So the next one that I have here is this Raspberry Mimosa. Now definitely, as you all can see the packaging, you know why I got this candle. I didn't even know how how it smelled or anything. I just like, when I saw it online, I was like, I want this, because it just like, look at the shade, you guys, the shade of pink. It is so freaking good, so I had to buy it. Okay, to be honest, I just got it because of the color, nothing else. This candle is would be like really nice in like summers or spring season. It smells really nice and fresh, and has that again, as it says Raspberry Mimosa, it has a strong raspberry scent and also a little bit of that minty flavor. Very clean and fresh kind of a scent. This is like a light smelling candle. It's not as strong as the other ones that I showed you. Not my most favorite, but still it's a really good one. Okay guys, so the last candle that I have with me is Pumpkin Pecan Waffles, and this is how it looks like. Again guys, I just got it because of the looks of it. I just wanted like a white colored candle, so that's the reason I got it. Inside it's this cream colored wax. This one and the Paris Cafe both are the strongest scents that you will find. You know, they both have that bakery scent. When you burn them, it just, you like your house or your room, wherever you burn them, it just smells like bakery. It smells like someone is preparing fresh cakes, especially pumpkin flavored cakes. So what I do with these candles is I only burn them for about 15 minutes to 20 minutes. Sometimes I go up to half an hour. So especially with the stronger scents, you guys, if you burn them for about 15 to 20 minutes, your house will smell good the entire day. When you're done burning them, all you have to do is just take the lid. You know, can you see my lid? There's this black marks. So just take the lid and just close it, okay? And also I've heard this is helpful because it will make sure that the scent will be sealed inside. Or else most of the times what happens is people just like blow it off and they just leave it like that, right? And over the period of time you will see it's losing the fragrance, like you can't smell it anymore. So that might also happen. So definitely this trick would help. I also want to share with you this one, which is the lighter. Now I got this from Amazon. So it is a USB chargeable lighter. You also get this torch here. Okay, so these two buttons, you'll get a torch. Okay, so this is where you will burn the candle. So right now I think the battery charging is over. This is how I'm burning my candles, and I think this will be very, very handy because when you use matches, you know, many times I have burned my fingers, and I think this was for about 1000 or 1500, something like that. I'm not sure. So I will also leave a link to this lighter in my description box, so definitely check that out. So yeah guys, that's everything for my candles. Now moving on, you know, the next one that I have is the aromatherapy range. This is rose plus vanilla body wash, and this is how it looks. I like the packaging. Like Bath and Body Works just kills it with their packaging. I absolutely love it. But I think this one smells like the one from Beauty World or Beauty Co. I'm not sure. I'm just gonna put a picture of it right over here so you guys know which product I'm talking about. So moving on guys, I have all the body mist now. Now I absolutely, as I said, you know, I love smelling good. I absolutely love perfumes, body mist, sprays, like everything. So yeah, I got a bunch of them, so I'm going to talk about one by one with you all. The first one that I have here is called as the Twilight Woods. And this is how it looks like, and the packaging is really, really cute as all of their you know, other fragrances. So this one is like a nighttime kind of a scent. It has the musky notes and floral notes in it. All of these scents, you know, they don't last as long. They last for about I would say 5 to 6 hours probably, but not longer than that. And yeah, you definitely have to keep spraying them again and again. The second one that I have is called as Raspberry Sugar. Again guys, this is the fine fragrance mist, and this is how it looks. It definitely looks very festive and very Christmassy, you know, for this season. I think it's very, very apt. It's very fruity, it's sweet. You know, I like it. I love fruity and sweet scents. So the next one that I have is the Champagne Toast. Again, this is the fine fragrance mist. Now I absolutely love the packaging of this one. Oh my god, it just looks so freaking cute, you guys. The entire Champagne Toast range is like raved by so many people, okay? So that's why I just wanted to try it out. So I'm just gonna spray some. Oh, it's so good. If you like very girly, sweet, it's not too sweet, okay? But definitely it smells like girly and definitely has that alcohol scent, a little bit of the alcohol scent in there. So yeah, that's why I think it's called as Champagne Toast. And anyways, yeah, I really like it, and definitely you can try it out. So the next one that I have is called as the Winter Candy Apple. Again, this is the fine fragrance mist. The packaging has changed. This is the old packaging. I don't know why, but I just felt like this was cute, so that's why I called for this one. Now coming to the scent, has a strong apple scent and it's sweet. Again, it has that subtle, like very subtle, you know, floral notes as well. So yeah, I think it's so freaking good. Raspberry Sugar, and this one is the holiday collection. If you're into, you know, fruity, sweet kind of a scent, then you can definitely try this one. So the next one that I have is the 1000 Wishes 24-hour Moisture Ultra Sheer Body Cream. And this is how it looks like. The packaging is so nice and luxurious, and yeah, look at that. It definitely has that floral notes and a little hint of that musky flavor. So it definitely smells like very luxurious and very nice. If you want like a long lasting product, then definitely you can invest in body creams because they do long last compared to the fine fragrance mist. So yeah, that's that. Okay guys, so the next one that I have with me is called as the Twinkling Nights. Again, this one is the fine fragrance mist. And this is how it looks like. I love the packaging. It just looks so festive and nice and luxurious. So yeah, I really like it. And it definitely smells sweet. And again, this is kind of that, nighttime kind of a perfume. It also has the floral notes in there. It's very nice and luxurious, yet it's very subtle, and yeah, I really like that. So the last one that I have is called as Vanilla Bean Noel, which has to be my most favorite out of all the scents that I showed you today. So this is how it looks like. Again guys, this one is the holiday collection. Oh, this is so good. If you love vanilla, then definitely go with this one. It's very sweet. It's vanilla. So it's not like sweet in the way, not a bad sweet. All of them that I'm saying sweet, it's not a bad sweet. It's a good sweet. It smells so yummy and so good. Like, what is that? Like, that's how it smells like. Okay. It's quite strong. Okay, if you love vanilla, if you love a little bit of like sweet notes, then definitely try this one. And yeah guys, that completes my Bath and Body Works haul. I hope you all really enjoyed it. I don't know how long this video is going to be. I just wanted to have like a nice chit chat kind of a video. So yeah, let me know like what is your favorite from Bath and Body Works so I can try that out next time. And I hope this video was really fun and nice and entertaining. So yeah guys, I'll catch you all next time with another interesting video. Until then, you all know the drill. Keep slaying. Bye guys.